Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to increase vitamin D quickly, only way. Start by getting brief sun exposure to arms and legs for 10-30 minutes several times weekly during peak sun hours. Then add vitamin D-rich foods and discuss supplements with your clinician if levels are low. And track progress with repeat testing to confirm improvement and avoid excess. Aim for direct sun on larger skin areas like arms and legs for short bursts to maximize vitamin D production. Adjusting duration by skin tone and latitude. Avoid burning by starting small and increasing slowly. And always protect skin before and after these brief sessions to balance benefits and safety while tracking how your body responds. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life and helps set vitamin D reminder routines, alarms, and playlists while you follow sun and supplement plans. It's a handy little helper for healthy habits. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Combine dietary choices like salmon, fortified milk, and eggs with targeted supplements when appropriate to speed up vitamin D recovery. Choose vitamin D3 and follow a clinician-advised dose. Check blood 25O(D) periodically, and consider dividing doses to improve absorption while keeping an eye on symptoms and lab results for safe progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.